Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn how to think in English to remove hesitation while speaking. Many people know English words and grammar but they still hesitate. Why? Because they first think in their own language then translate into English. This takes time and creates fear. Why hesitation happens? Let's understand with this simple image. Okay, so there is a boy and he is trying to speak English but there's some difficulties, there's some fear, there's some hesitation. Okay, so he's trying to think like I want to say something but no words. What is the right word? Will I make a mistake? What will they think? He is trying to speak but these fears happens with everyone when they try to speak English. Okay, so the solution is simple, like start thinking directly in English. Use small English thoughts like I'm hungry, I need water, I am going to work, this weather is so nice, I need to call my friend. Use easy daily sentences. So these sentences you can learn and repeat after me. Let's understand with another image. There's a boy. He is trying to speak English but before he speak, he thinks these sentences. What he's thinking? Let's understand. He's thinking that I'm learning English. Every day I can speak English confidently. Practice makes me better. I want to improve my communication. I will achieve my goals. Okay, so you can also think in English and you can learn these sentences. You can remember these sentences and try to relate with your own thoughts. Okay, look around and think in English like the room is clean, the fan is on, my phone is on the table, the road is busy today. This builds fast thinking power. Step number 3. Talk to yourself in English. Ask yourself question like what should I do today? What will I eat now? Where I am going? Then answer yourself in English. I'll finish my work first. I'll eat lunch later. Okay, step 4. Stop translating every word and do not try to make perfect sentences. Use simple English, not perfect. Like I'm going market now. It is okay. Speak first and improve later. I hope guys you are enjoying this video. Let's understand with another image. A boy is standing in front of mirror and he is trying to think what should I do today. Okay, the mirror image thinking like I'll finish my work first. What will eat now? I'll eat lunch later. You can also do the same. You can stand in front of mirror, think these sentences. You can take some another example like I have to attend my class. What I will do in the class? When I will return from class? Okay, so now you can take some example practice. Right now, think I am watching this video. I want to improve my English. I can speak confidently. I am learning every day. Okay friends, so if you think in English, you speak faster. If you speak faster, hesitation goes away. If you have really enjoyed this video, like, share and subscribe for more English speaking lessons. Okay, so we will meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.